ask you a question. If you died today, what ideas, what dreams, what music, what creations would die with you? As long as you're breathing, there's work to do. There's something else for you to achieve. Working to build a dream, to change a habit, to get out of a bad relationship. It's hard. Because of failure, people stop. But you're gonna fail. So fail your way to success. You have to keep moving to push past your fears and your negative self-talk. But don't let those negative self-talk and fears bring you down. Let them challenge you. Let them inspire you. Let them piss you off till you do something about it. Let the fears elevate you and let the challenges make you stronger. Let the adversity you face today make you a stronger person tomorrow. If you want to change and have a better life, it's you that has to take personal responsibility to make it happen. One of my favorite quotes is, "Don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. Don't wish for less problems, wish for more skills. And don't wish for less challenges, wish for more wisdom." And I think that is so true. If you don't work hard every day to get better, you're gonna stay stuck. Courage is moving ahead in spite of your fears. Where does self-confidence come from? It's knowing you're doing your best every day. Setting up that meeting and making it amazing. Making that phone call you've been postponing. Or deciding if you're going to go to grad school, if that's going to be best for your future. When you do those things, it's going to build up your self-confidence because you're going to see the result from your work. So whatever threatens you or scares you, will threaten it back. And whatever pushes up against you, push it back. And whatever overwhelms you, stand up and take control of it. Indecision is the thief of opportunity. Make a decision. Move forward with it. 9 out of 10 times, you already know the answer. It's fear that's holding you back. Don't let it. Step forward, move through the fear, and just do it. Don't doubt yourself. You're stronger than you think. Take chances. Don't be so cautious that it paralyzes you. Decide today to keep pushing forward. Take a small step every single day, which is going to lead to small successes. And at the end of the year, you're going to look back and be shocked at what you accomplished. So get out there, take that step. I know you can do it. Push past those fears and make it happen today.